housemate to be evicted from the Big Brother Naija No Lose Guard house is TOPHER OCEE.
I think it somehow hit Anita. Anita saw it. He didn't see it coming. Like, she was kind of surprised from her face after the whole laughing and all, maybe thinking and hoping they will be in finals together. And she's always optimistic that she will be in finals. I like the way she was giving herself some self-proclamation. Who knows? Let's be watching. So good luck to OCEE and TOPHER. They have always been giving us drama. OCEE gave us the late one yesterday. And then TOPHER and his shipper has been just shipping. Do you understand? So all the best to them outside. They are good people.